Warranties and protection plans are often seen as a headache for store owners, but today I'm going to show you how to turn your after-sales service into a revenue-generating machine. We're going to learn how to add and sell paid warranties directly in your WooCommerce store using a powerful plugin called ClaimPress. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to install the ClaimPress plugin. It's a comprehensive system for managing warranties, exchanges, and returns. So go to the Plugins menu, click Add New Plugin button, and search ClaimPress. Now install and activate the plugin. Once you've installed and activated it, the beauty of this plugin is that it integrates seamlessly with your existing products. You don't need to create separate products for warranties. It's all handled as an add-on right where the customer makes their decision. Now click on Products menu and edit one of your best-selling items. Now look for the new ClaimPress tab in your product data section. This is where the magic happens. Enable warranty. Now select warranty type. Instead of an included free warranty, select paid warranties. Now add tiers. This is where you build your protection plans. You can offer different levels of coverage. For example, let's add a 2-year standard protection for $15. Just set the duration to 2, the period to years, and the cost to 15. Want to offer even more? You can add multiple tiers, maybe a lifetime coverage for a bit more. So what does this look like for your customer? On the product page, they'll see these options clearly laid out. It's an easy yes for many shoppers who want to protect their purchase. When they select a tier, the cost is automatically added to the product total in real time. In the cart and at checkout, the warranty is clearly displayed as part of the order item. This is professional, it's transparent, and most importantly, it converts. Adding paid warranties is one of the simplest ways to increase your WooCommerce store's profitability today. If you want to try it out, I've linked the ClaimPress plugin in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce growth hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.